As a part of purchase-to-pay offering, Itella digitizes your paper invoices for further processing easily and effectively. Together with our partners, we can provide digitizing services in 24 countries in Europe and other parts of the world. Invoices are directed to Itella by an invoicing address that Itella allocates to the customer. Itella receives the printed purchase invoices, opens them and empties the envelopes. The envelope contents are sorted upon emptying. Any staples and clips are removed and invoices are unfolded so that they can be scanned. Pre-processed invoices are scanned with high-capacity scanners and converted into image format. Invoice images are then interpreted with optical character recognition, that is OCR software. The application searches for the data to be captured from the invoice. Typically, the data that is captured from the invoices is information that is needed for paying. For example, invoice number, invoice date, due date, currency, total sum, account number, sender's VAT ID, and invoice type. Invoices that are not interpreted correctly are taken for verification, at which stage the invoice data can be manually keyed in. Accuracy checking of the data is done by using verification software. The software carries out various checkup procedures in order to ensure the correctness of the data. These checkups include, for example, the logic check of account numbers and payment reference numbers. The software also notifies if some information could not be interpreted from the invoice. The verifier can then accept the values given by OCR software or key in the right values. The invoice images with index names are delivered to customers with the captured data. By default, image files and invoice data are transferred to Itella's service for retrieval by the customer on a daily basis. Itella's invoice repository supports several file and image formats. The recipient can choose between different standardized data formats. Other tailored file formats or data transfer methods can also be used if needed. Itella's service can be connected directly to customers' business systems and use the kind of data format the system supports. Scanned material is stored at Itella for a short period of time, after which it's disposed of, sent to customer or paper archive. Electronic archiving can also be provided by Itella. With Itella, you have access to a Europe-wide standard process for scanning and processing of invoices. Itella Information, Financial Process Innovation as a Service.